So for our next stop, we will visit inside of Trang village, the ceramic village. This is the biggest crafting village because all the store you see mostly will be all about ceramics. So each of the showroom you see over here will have different factories. Mostly they will all be domestic products, but we also export it into China, Korea, and Japan. So mostly all of the products over here, they're gonna be a little bit different, maybe a little bit similar, but all gonna be related to the thing called feng shui. So moving along, I will introduce you guys to the communal house of Trang. So in the communal house, in the altar, we will worship the ancestors of this village, one of the first artists that makes ceramics. So during the time when we still have kings and queen, the king will stay at the communal house, and the back of the buildings will be the harems of the king. So now you're gonna visit a local house in this village. So this house is unique because this is the only one that have the age of more than 100 years. And inside the house, we will visit a local man and have a small conversations with him. So at his garden, he collects all of the broken products and make the gardens into a small museum. And he has spent 10 years to making this, all the broken ones and even the new ones from the factories. So the owner of this house named Mr. Tu. Mr. Tu used to be one of the first architects we have in Vietnam. This house used to belong to his grandparents, his father, and now it belongs to him. And in the future, he will give it to his sons. So next, I will show you the oldest kiln we have in the village and the only one left, with the age of 100 years old. So at the time, they use woods for heat, and they put the products inside of the kiln, or you can call it the ovens. And after 3 to 5 days, it's gonna be finished. And now I'm gonna teach you guys how to make potteries yourself. The tip is, always make sure your hand is wet, and because you're a first beginner, just spin the wheel slowly. So that will be all the destination we're gonna go in this tour. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me.